Welcome to Spanish Quiz Academy, our SER versus ESTAR edition. Do you really understand SER and ESTAR? Or are you just guessing? 40 questions from A1 to B1. One final score. How many badges will you unlock? Let's go! I am a student.
Soy.
You are at home.
Estás.
Maria is Spanish.
Es.
We are tired today.
Estamos.
They are friends.
Son.
I am very happy today.
Estoy.
The table is big.
Es.
They are in Madrid.
Están.
She is a teacher.
Es.
The coffee is hot.
Está.
I am from England.
Soy.
You are very nervous.
Estás.
The beach is beautiful.
Es.
We are in the restaurant.
Estamos.
You are very intelligent. Plural.
Son.
Welcome to A2. I am ready to leave.
Estoy.
Maria is bored today.
Está.
The teacher is boring.
Es.
The shop is closed.
Está.
The party is in Barcelona.
Es.
The boy is very naughty.
Es.
My mother is unwell today.
Está.
The window is broken.
Está.
We are in a good mood today.
Estamos.
You are sure about the answer.
Estás.
From here on, nothing is obvious. Let's see how far you can go. The door is still open.
Está.
The restaurant is quite full today.
Está.
My grandfather is very old now.
Es.
We completely agree.
Estamos.
The soup is always made with tomato.
Es.
The boy is very calm today.
Está.
My boss is very serious at work.
Es.
The pharmacy is open 24 hours.
Es.
Maria is a bit quiet today.
Está.
The exam is really difficult.
Es.
I am fed up with studying lately.
Estoy.
The table is completely made of wood.
Es.
They are very proud of their son.
Están.
The city is very calm today.
Está.
My phone is completely out of battery.
Está.
A 1 survivor earned if you score 15 plus. A 2 challenger earned if you score 25 plus. B1 master earned if you score 35 plus. You survived the SER versus ESTAR challenge. Write your score in the comments.